Breaking news. SSPM or SSPM Army of General Buay Rolnyang attack SSPDF convoy in Mayom County, Unity State. Fierce fighting has erupted this morning in a remote village in Unity State, Mayom County, after gunmen state officials said could be identified attacked 8-vehicle SSPDF convoy heading to Mayom town. A senior county official with a direct knowledge said the incident happened at Toch local village of Buay Rolnyang when unidentified army men attacked the army convoy coming from the direction of Ajakwach. The incident happened just minutes after 8 a.m. local time, and gunmen we believe are just army civilian attacked a convoy of the SSPDF comprising 8 vehicles, and the fighting is said to be still ongoing. One official who requests not to be named said the convoy was coming from Ajakwach in Warab State and was heading to Mayom County, so it was attacked in that village of Toch local which belonged to Buay Rolnyang. General Buay claimed responsibility. When contacted by Sudan Post, General Stephen Buay Rolnyang, the leader of the rebel South Sudan People Movement Army SSPDF, say their forces are behind the attack. The rebel leaders alleged that the convoy was carrying military equipment for reinforcement to attack the opposition, a claim Sudan Post cannot independently verify. Yes, the fighting is ongoing and our forces have captured and destroyed the whole convoy. The convoy was sent from Juba to Mayom with military equipment to fight the SSPM. He said General Buay further warned commercial flight are going to using Mayom airspace or risk putting their life at risk. All commercial flights that are being hired by the regime to transport gun and ammunition are hereby warned not to fly to Mayom area, he added. Several attempts by Sudan Post to reach SSPDF in Juba were unsuccessful. The incident comes a week after forces loyal to the General Buay attack Mayom town and assassinate the country commissioner Chul Galwak Manimi, the elder brother of Presidential Affairs Advisor Tut Galwak, courtesy of Sudan Post.